welcome to Crewe Audi. Today I'm going to take you around this brand new Audi A3 saloon. The car has the halogen headlights with the daytime running lights and the front headlight washer jets. Around the side here we've got the 17-inch 5-arm parallel spoke design alloy wheels. We've got the chrome surrounds around the windows. LED backlights with the rear parking sensors. Now this is a brand new Audi vehicle, so you will get 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance from the manufacturer. Now as we move to the front of the vehicle, inside we have the electrically adjustable heated exterior mirrors, electric windows in the front and the rear with the child lock option, the silver inlays, automatic headlights and wipers, with the flat bottom multifunctional leather steering wheel. Here we've got the digital dash with Audi's virtual cockpit, touchscreen MMI display with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity and DAB digital radio, climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox and the beautiful full leather interior. So if you would like any more information on this Audi A3, if you would like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 864 091. Thank you for watching.